Hi everyone, May K. Bueller here with Carolina Aircraft at Piedmont Triad International Airport. You know our specialty is only the finest pre-owned Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas. Well, today I have a beautiful Baron 55 to tell you about. She's a 1980 model in very low time. Let's take a look. So let's talk about your engines. Teledyne Continental IO 470 260 horsepower engines, about 282 on the engine since factory Reman, and we have 3-blade alcohol props, only 49 hours since prop overhaul. So let's check out your forward baggage compartment. Up here in the nose, we can carry up to 300 pounds. The paint scheme on this airplane is beautiful and it's in great condition, redone in 2009. We have 136 gallons of usable fuel to fly this beauty to your dream and business destination. Let's check out the exterior of this gorgeous Baron 55. Matterhorn white overall with black velvet and harvest gold striping in perfect condition. This aircraft is very low time, 1854 on the airframe since new. Your useful load for this aircraft, 1486. That means the payload is about 670 with full fuel. We do have 6 seats, and of course they're versatile. We can move them around. We can even remove a seat, and I don't need any tools. All I need to do is pick up on a bar, pull a pin, and we're good to go. So come on in and let's check out the interior together. As you can see, we have tan leather seats, matching carpet and headliner in great condition up here, and we have a 4-place intercom system. So let's check out the flight deck. We have dual Garmin 430 GPS nav comms with WAAS, a multifunction display on board. It's a Garmin GMX 200 multifunction display. Your transponder is a Garmin GTX 330ES with ADS-B out. We do have a stormscope on board for weather avoidance, and your autopilot. It's an S-Tec 55X digital autopilot coupled with the HSI. Other features you will appreciate: 6 leather seats, dual Glideslopes, shoulder harnesses for every passenger and pilot, alcohol props and windshield, and more. This 1980 Baron 55 is looking for a new home. The paint is gorgeous, redone in 2009. And remember, she's low time. 40-year-old airplane, 41 years old, 1980 model, about 45 hours on the aircraft per year if you average it out. Very low time, great feature. If you're interested in this bird, she's not going to last, so we encourage you to give us a call right away. We're Carolina Aircraft at Piedmont Triad International Airport, and Baron School, it's included in the price of the aircraft because we want you to be safe and comfortable in your new to you Baron. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Bueller. Thanks so much for watching.